to show you the unique pre-poo treatment I've been using on my own hair. And honestly, the way my hair feels afterwards is always amazing. So if you are struggling to retain your hair length, you definitely want to watch this video to the end, because the combination I'm about to use is probably not what you are expecting. So that being said, let's get started. So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making one of the most unusual but unique pre-poo deep conditioning treatment masks, which will help you in managing your hair well to retain length. So the first ingredient I'll be making use of is coconut milk. So to extract coconut milk, I'm going to use coconut. If you don't mind, you can make use of store-bought coconut milk, but for me, I want to get it original, the whole milk. So I have one coconut, as you can see. We are going to extract the milk. So the first thing I'll be doing is to break it, and yeah, just watch me do the extraction and give me your ear so I can share with you some benefits attached to coconut milk as far as hair growth is concerned. Okay? Coconut milk contains saturated fatty acids, small amounts of protein and carbohydrates, and minerals such as magnesium, copper, and phosphorus, which are great for the scalp. Coconut milk also helps to condition and soften the hair, which can make it easier to manage and may help with length retention by reducing hair breakage. You know, when you stop or reduce hair breakage, it's equal to length retention. And long hair, that's just that. Okay? So I'll wash my coconuts very clean, and after washing it, I'll show you the next step, which is to grate. Instead of blending it with a blender, I decided to grate. Why? Because I don't want to add too much water. In fact, I don't want to add water. So this is how I want it for this pre-poo treatment. So I'm going to hand grate it. You can make use of any hand grater you have and do this process. So after hand grating it, I'm going to grab my wig cap and strain to extract our beautiful coconut milk, which I'm going to be using for this pre-poo treatment. Believe me, after you must have used this pre-poo treatment, your hair will never remain the same. The texture, the shiny look, you are going to enjoy everything about the results showing on your hair shaft. So go ahead and prepare this with me, try it out, and let me know your results in the comment section. Let me also know what you think about this my pre-poo treatment for today. Will you be trying it? Drop that in the comment section. Like I said, if you cannot find the whole coconut that I'm using for this pre-poo treatment, you can go ahead and buy coconut milk from the store. Do you understand? Just make use of what you have available. So I'm going to now strain to get my whole coconut milk. So after that, I'm going to set it aside, and I'll show you the next ingredient for this pre-poo treatment. So guys, the next ingredient for this pre-poo treatment is sweet potato. Yes, you heard me right. That sweet potato you normally enjoy. We are going to be using it for this pre-poo treatment because of its amazing benefits for hair growth as well. So sweet potato contains beta-carotene, also known as provitamin A, important for scalp health. It also contains vitamin C, an antioxidant involved in collagen production and iron absorption. So sweet potato is rich in nutrients and contains antioxidant compound, while the starch gives the pre-poo its body and a creamy texture. Okay. After peeling off the back, I'll cut it in pieces, and after cutting, I'll go ahead and wash it clean, and I'm going to pour it into my pot. And after that, I'll show you the next ingredient. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up so it can get to every other person that may like this pre-poo treatment. Okay, thank you so much. So the next ingredient is okra. So okra contains antioxidant plant compounds that are good for the hair and also for its mucilage characteristics. I'll be adding it to my pre-poo to enjoy the slippery texture and make it easier for detangling, especially for natural hair. So I'm going to add about 4 pots of okra. If you want to increase the slippery of this pre-poo, go ahead and increase your okra pots. So the next ingredient I'll be using for this pre-poo is hibiscus. Hibiscus contains antioxidant plant compound. It also contains vitamin C and other micronutrients that are great for the hair, and for its conditioning effects, I will add it to my pre-poo treatment too. So I'm going to wash my hibiscus clean and also introduce it into my pot, and I have 4 powerful ingredients for this amazing pre-poo treatment. So guys, this is it. I'm going to pour 2 cups of water and head over to the stove to cook this for 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll continue from there. Okay. So after cooking, this is what I have. You can see how beautiful it looks. So in order to do the next process, I'm going to take away or remove the hibiscus plant and continue with the next step. I'm going to transfer it into this bowl and blend. So I'm going to stick blend, but if you don't have this stick blender, go ahead and blend it directly with your own blender. So whatever blender you have, make use of it. After blending, I'm going to introduce our coconut milk. So after I'm done pouring the coconut milk, I'll blend it and mix it properly. You can see our creamy, beautiful looking pre-poo max. So you can use it for detangling that your natural hair to retain length, to avoid breakage and retain length. So I'm going to strain it because I wouldn't want the particles on my hair shaft. So I'm going to strain it with my wig cap. Whatever strainer you have, go ahead and strain yours to avoid the chaff on your hair. So after straining, I'm going to go ahead and measure a tablespoon of my organic honey. Make sure you're adding original honey, for moisture. So, organic honey is also serving as a humectant to draw in moisture to your hair strands. So I'll add, like I said, a tablespoon, and I'll mix it properly. So at this point, I don't want to add any other oil because we already have coconut milk, which contains saturated oil. Okay, so I'll mix it very well and I'll show you how to apply it on my hair. So guys, to apply it on my hair, I will unpack my hair. I'm already wearing a protective hairstyle, so I'm going to lose it, and after losing it, I will spray some water to the hair shaft before application. So guys, if you have not used any pre-poo treatment before, I will encourage you to try this one out and thank me later. Okay, so after losing my hair, I'm going to section it. I'm going to section and apply until I'm done applying it on my hair. So after applying it on my hair, I'm going to cover it with my shower cap or nylon bag. You can cover it with anything provided there's no air penetration. So after covering it, I'm going to allow it to stay for more than 2 hours or 2 hours. So after that, I will go ahead and wash my hair with my shampoo. If you don't have any idea of the type of leave-in spray that can help to stimulate hair growth and take care of your scalp issues, please watch the video in my description box and on the end screen. So just follow it up. After washing your hair, you can apply your leave-in spray regularly to encourage and stimulate hair growth. Would you put sweet potato, hibiscus, coconut milk, and okra in your hair? I know this combination sounds unusual, but sometimes the strangest hair experiments are the most interesting. Go ahead and try it out. I would like to know your results or your feeling. Whatever you feel after applying this pre-poo, I would like to know in the comments section. So guys, you can see how shiny the hair is looking already. That's to tell you how amazing this pre-poo is. So like I said, I'll cover my hair, and yeah. So guys, let me know if you will try this pre-poo treatment on your hair, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.